Hey, it's that time. Today trade again. Do your best to be great. Leave fear behind. Be the star of the show or else. I am the financial freedom fighter Celestial Nightthorn. Today is sequence 8 of the Greatly Trading series, Road to $100,000. We are starting small, so that you see in real time how it's done. I will be trading the Forex pair Euro USD with my live funded accounts. I will be trading in the Asian session. Let's get started. I opened this trade at about 1:30 a.m. We are always ready. We do this. I opened for a buy position of 10 lots at 1.15585, put a stop loss at 1.15535, and take profit at 1.15687. The risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. We are still good with this. We have formed a new higher high with that green candle. It is going in the right direction. What's this? One big red candle formed, then another one is trying to take us to our opening position. Boring. The trade is going completely against us. We might hit stop loss at this rate. That is not cool. So, not cool, guys. A big green candle is forming and is taking us back to our opening position. Is this where some people break even? It can never be me. We either win or lose. Simple yet not so simple. Great, what an awesome green candle. We are back in the game, y'all. This is why you hold form no matter what. Did you see how close we were to stop loss earlier? still going toward our direction. Hopefully it won't be long until we hit take profit, guys. It's just playing around half of our profit goals for now. Been taken back to our opening position. Damn, bro. We are back in really bad loss. Those big red candles really brought us down. We continue to observe the trade and see it through. A big green candle took us towards our opening position again. Today was one of those days you really had to be patient. That's what we like to see. Price is going our way now. It's almost time now. The profit is really within reach. Today is a real emotional roller coaster, but we are going to see it through. No regrets. Finally, the trade hit take profit at 6:31 a.m. The time for that trade was a long one, about 5 hours, man. We got $1,020 today. We followed our strategy. We made more money. Let's keep it up. We are focused. We are in a 3-day winning streak so far. Well, that's it. We make money only in the markets. I will have no courses, no signal groups, and no bots to sell to you. I'm good. Thank you for watching so far. If you liked this video, you will really like watching the sequence 7 video by clicking the video to the left of your screen. Remember, you are cool. Subscribe to the channel. I love you more than your soulmate. Like the video. Feel free to leave an awesome comment only. Only main supporters will have a chance to participate in the cash giveaway when we have it. I'm wishing for your financial freedom and greatness until we meet in the next video.